So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 easy and free ways of making money online and at home. Now, you're not going to need to build any websites. You're not going to need to put a bunch of money into products, selling it online. I'm not going to share ideas about how to build a YouTube channel or a blog post and have it, turn into thousands of subscribers or millions of subscribers. These are going to be very easy, simple things you can sign up for right now today, not requiring any money, no skills, no experience necessary. And be sure to stay to the end because some of these pay up to $600 per hour. And we are starting right now. Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Shaun. I am a life, finance, and fitness coach helping you create life on your terms in just 90 days. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are all about everything money, investing, entrepreneurship, living life on your terms, then this is a channel for you. In the description box below, I will leave some links to my website, my courses, and most importantly, some really useful and awesome videos that I think you may really enjoy that you can watch after watching this one, of course. Now, if you are not new to this channel, thank you so much for returning. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell if you haven't done so already. And as always, please be sure to just obliterate the like button for me, pushing that YouTube algorithm, letting it know that these videos are useful, that they have great information and content in them that more people would like to know. But like I said, in today's video, we're talking about 5 easy and free ways of making money fast at home and online. Now, like I said, it's not gonna require any websites. You don't need to put a bunch of money into inventory. I'm not gonna tell you to build this huge YouTube following or Instagram following or anything like that. These are gonna be very simple, easy, and quick things that you can just sign up for and start making money right away. And like I said, be sure to stay to the end because in the video I'm gonna be sharing some really awesome strategies, some paying upwards of $600 per hour. So let's go ahead and get started with the very first one. So the very first job on our list is Schlesinger Group. This is actually a focus group and is a company that does qualitative and quantitative data collection. Now, for those of you who have no idea what that means, essentially it's just a company that helps other company and people get more insight and knowledge on their websites, their products, and the services that they offer through people's opinions like you and I. Now, the great thing about this company is they're looking for all sorts of people from different backgrounds, ranging from really high income C-suite people to even just like low income people. So it doesn't matter what kind of job, what kind of background that you have, they are looking for your opinion to help companies understand better about their products or services, what you like and what you don't like. Now, this company has some online focus groups and surveys, and in addition to that, they also have in-person ones. But to get started, you simply will go to their website, create a profile, and when you do that, you're gonna be asked all kinds of questions on who you are, your background, your history, what kind of products you like to use, all different sorts of information so this company can get a better idea of how to match you with the most appropriate focus groups and surveys. From there, you will receive email notifications whenever there is a survey or a focus group that could match your particular expertise, and you'll simply answer a bunch of questions to see if you qualify. Now, in terms of how much they pay, it really does depend on the type of focus group or the survey that you're doing, and also how niche of a person that they are looking for. But on average, you can expect to earn anywhere from $20 to $30 per hour. However, when I've done some of these things, I've actually been paid upwards of $300 for 1 hour of my time. The wonderful thing about it is that they actually pay you per focus group that you do in the form of a check or a Visa debit card. And this payment is issued right after the survey. So the second job on our list is a secret shopper app or a mystery shopper. Now, this one does actually require you to leave the house. However, this is a very easy and honestly fun way of making some extra income. With these particular jobs, you will be tasked to go to a particular store and either check inventory levels, could be presentation of how the overall business looks, or you could even be doing things like buybacks. So buybacks are essentially you going to a particular company, buying a specific product, and then of course the company will reimburse you for buying that product and also pay you for your time. So it's a really great way of getting some free products and getting paid to do something pretty simple. Now, there will be times where you may have to talk to the manager afterwards and let them know that you stopped by and that you were a secret shopper. However, it's usually really easy, it's very simple, and it does not take that much time at all. Now, the way you get started with this, you're gonna go onto the website and the company sending you a link to the mystery shopper or secret shopper app, and from there you'll be able to see all the different things that you could do for a particular pay. Now, in terms of how much you get paid for doing something like this, it really depends on the particular task, but you can usually expect to see a base rate of $25 to $30 per hour for tasks up to 2 hours. If you happen to finish earlier than the time allotted, you still get paid for that time. So let's say that there's a task that says, 2 hours at $25, meaning it's gonna pay you 50 bucks. If you happen to finish that task in 30 minutes or an hour, you still get paid your base amount for those 2 hours. So secret shopping or mystery shopping is a fantastic way of making some side income, and you could easily make quite a few hundred extra dollars a month doing this. Okay, so the third job on our list actually allows you to earn money playing video games. And the great thing about this one is you don't have to be an expert. So they're looking for all different ranges of expertise, from very advanced video game players to very novice video game players. And this is called Playtest Cloud. So Playtest Cloud is a website or a company that connects developers with video game users. And the whole point of this is to help developers get a better understanding or an idea of what the video game players are thinking or experiencing while playing a particular game. So with this job, what you would be tasked to do is to begin playing a game and recording and speaking out loud what you're thinking and what you're doing. And this in turn helps the developers know what you're thinking, what your experience is like, and other ways they can make modifications to the game to make it an even better experience. Now, in terms of how to get started, you're gonna go online and sign up on Playtest Cloud website. Next, you will have to choose a qualification test in which you will need to pass. The good thing about it is if you happen to not pass your first time, you can take it as many times as needed until you do pass. Now, once you do pass the test, you will receive an email that will then give you access to the site where you can then see all the different games that you can play and get paid to do. Now, in terms of how much you get paid for this particular job, it really does range on the type of game that's being played and also how long you're gonna play, but you can expect to earn $9 to $13 for every 15 minutes of playing video games. So that means that you could essentially earn at least $36 per hour simply for playing video games. That is freaking awesome. The great thing about it is you get paid out after each individual video game that you play, and you're gonna be paid through a PayPal account. So this next one is the one that actually pays up to $600 per hour, so be sure to check this one out. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button for my channel. So the fourth job on our list is Respondent.io, and this is actually a survey company. Now, unlike most survey companies which pay you very little, Respondent.io is actually probably one of the highest paying survey companies that I have found online. Very similar to Schlesinger Group, the whole goal of Respondent.io is to connect different companies and people with a healthy pool of participants that have a very vast background and degree of knowledge or experiences. So it doesn't matter how much you make or how little you make or what kind of job you have. This particular company is needing people like you to give your opinions and advice on particular products or websites and things like that. The cool thing about this company is that they have a very broad range of surveys that you can take. So no matter what your experience is, no matter what your life is like, there's going to be something you qualify for. So in terms of how to get started, you're simply going to create a profile on the website where you're going to be asked a series of questions. That way the company has a better understanding of how they can match you with the appropriate surveys. Once your profile is created, you will receive email notifications for surveys that you are eligible for. If you actually qualify for that survey, a person will reach out to you or an email will be sent letting you know the next steps to move forward to participate in that actual survey. So in terms of how much you can actually get paid to do these surveys, it really does range depending on the type of survey and what you're doing. There will be some surveys that don't pay a whole lot, but I have actually seen some surveys paying upwards of $150 for 15 minutes of your time, which would equal out to $600 per hour. Now the average pay is around $60 per hour for a survey, so that's actually not too bad. Now the great thing about Respondent.io is that they pay out after every survey. So instead of like some survey companies where you have to wait till you accumulate a certain amount of money before you get paid out, you do get paid out right after each survey that you do within 7 to 10 days. Okay, so the very last one on our list is one that not many people know about or have heard of before, and that is Reddit. Now, when most people think of Reddit, they think of the community chat room or the overall blog that Reddit offers. However, if you know where to go, you can actually make money and get paid on Reddit. Now this is a great way that you could earn quite a few hundred extra dollars per month. But let's talk about 3 different subreddits that you should be looking out for. So the very first subreddit is slave labor, and in this subreddit you will find different people posting about different tasks that you can do, ranging anywhere from a couple bucks all the way up to tasks that pay $50 to $80 that you can do within 1 hour's time. The second subreddit on our list is beer money, and this one's kind of a combination between slave labor and an online job. But for this particular subreddit, you will either see different tasks that you can do, or you will also see online jobs that you can do. And this will range anywhere from simple homework assignments or studies that you can be participating in, all the way up to test driving vehicles. And in addition, you can also find really great tips and tricks on ways to make money online, as well as money advice in general. Now, the third subreddit on the list is signups for pay, and this pretty much is what the name implies. You actually get paid money to sign up for people's stuff. So in this subreddit forum, you will find people who will pay you to provide referral codes or different things like that. And not only will you get paid, but you also get some of the benefits of signing up for things as well. But those are 5 simple and easy strategies for making money online and at home. If this video gave you some value, please be sure to smash the like button if you haven't done so already. Also, if you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Anything that has to do with personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, creating wealth, living life in your terms, this is a channel for you. Also, like I mentioned, I have some links below in the description box to some really awesome videos on my channel that you might really enjoy, so be sure to check those out. But let's get out there and let's build that dream.